In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the cookie banner on your Wix website. If you're collecting any kind of analytics data, running ads, or using third-party tools on your site, a cookie banner helps you stay transparent with visitors and can support compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR and similar laws. The good news is that Wix makes this quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through it in a clear, simple way. Start on your site's dashboard in Wix. This is the control center for a specific website, not the general Wix home screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu with different options. Find and click Settings. It often shows a small gear icon and opens up a page that groups all of your site's key controls. This is where you can manage a lot of behind-the-scenes essentials, and it's the right place to turn on your cookie banner. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Compliance, Privacy, and Cookies. This area is designed to centralize your privacy tools so you don't have to hunt around. It covers things like data requests, privacy preferences, and, of course, cookies. Click into that section to access the cookie consent tools provided by Wix. Now, locate the cookie consent banner option and click Add to Site. That's the switch that turns the banner on. After you click it, Wix will activate a default cookie banner for your website. This banner typically appears to new or first-time visitors and explains that your site uses cookies. It gives visitors the ability to accept cookies and often includes a link area where you can point to your privacy policy. From this moment on, Wix will handle the display logic so the banner shows up when it should, without you needing to manage it manually. With the banner enabled, you've accomplished the core task. If you want to fine-tune your message or design later, Wix provides options right in the same area to adjust wording, layout, and regional behavior, so your banner aligns with your brand, tone, and local expectations. Keep the language clear and friendly, and make sure your privacy policy is easy to find, up to date, and consistent with what your site actually does. Remember that a cookie banner is about transparency and trust, not just checking a box. And there you go. You've enabled the cookie banner on your Wix website using the simplest path. Open Settings from your site dashboard, go to Compliance, Privacy, and Cookies, and click Add to Site on the Cookie Consent banner. You're all set.